Hello friends, welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video, we will see how we can easily download and install Java 15 on Windows 10. With that, we will also see how we can run our first program in Java. For that, let us first download Java 15. Go to the browser. Now here type Oracle Java. Press enter. On pressing enter, you can see the official website is visible, oracle.com. So Java is owned by Oracle. Click on the website. We have reached the website. Now on the right, you can see download Java is visible. Click on it. On clicking, you can see Java SE15. This is the version we need to download. Click on JDK download. Now we have reached the download section. Go below. Here different versions are visible. The current version is 15.0.1. Here different versions are available for Linux, Mac as well as Windows. So we want for Windows. Here it is for 64-bit Windows installer. exe file. Click on it to download. On clicking, the following is visible. Click on it, I reviewed and accept, and click on the button to download. On clicking, the download will start. The download started. On the left bottom, so guys, on the left bottom you can see the exe file downloaded. Now click on the arrow or double click here. I'll click on the arrow. Click on open. Minimize this. Now the setup started. Welcome to the installation wizard. Click on next. Now you can see the destination folder. It will get installed under program files and a Java folder will get created. Under that a JDK folder and all the files of the installer will get saved there. Now if you want to change the location, click on change, and from here you can change the location. I'll click on cancel and keep the same location. Now click on next. Now the installation started. Java 15 successfully installed. As you can see here, complete. Click on close. Now let us set the path of Java. For that, let us first see where we have installed Java. Now go to C drive. If you remember, we installed under program files. Java folder got created under JDK. So this is the bin. Click on it and select all and copy the path. This path we need to set. How we will set? Minimize this. Go to start. Type variables. Now here click on edit the system environment variables. Under system properties, advanced tab, click on environment variables. On clicking, you can see here variables for only Amit user and variables for the entire system is system variables. We will go for the system variables option. Click on path. You need to double click on it. Remember that. Now all the paths are visible which we have set in our Windows 10 system. Click on new and here just paste the path. Right click and paste. Here it is. So which path we have set? This path. We copied this and we pasted the same path there. Here is the path. Click on OK. Now OK again and then OK again. Now we have set the path. Let us now verify that we have installed Java correctly or not. For that, go to start, type cmd, press enter. Now command prompt is visible. Here type Java -- version and press enter. On pressing enter, if the following is visible, that is the current version 15.0.1. That means we have successfully installed Java on our Windows 10 system. Now let us see the Java C. Press enter. Here you can see the following is visible. That means we have successfully installed Java. Now this looks fine. Now since we have set the path, now we will see how to run our first Java program. Close this. So guys, now let us see how we can run our first program in Java. For that, let's go to a text editor, go to start, click on Notepad++. You can use any editor. Now here, let's write our program, a first Java program. Now before saving, let us understand the code. Here public is an access specifier, class is the keyword, and Studiopedia is our class name which we are given. Now public static void main, public is an access specifier. Static is basically it will allow this main function to be called without the need to instantiate a particular instance. Void is a return type, main is the function. This is called whenever the application begins. String arguments. This is an array. So string, this basically declares a parameter arguments, which is an array. You can see this is an array of instances of the class string. This array is basically used to receive any command line arguments. So we will learn about this in the later videos. Right now we are showing just a simple example. Here is to print something. System is a class, is a predefined class. Out is our output stream, and println is our function wherein we have printed something. We want to display this as output. So it's fine. Now let's save our file. Go to file, save as. So we can save it anywhere. Let's save it on the desktop. I'll give the name the same, which is the class name, Studiopedia. Under save as, look for Java. Here is Java source file.java. It automatically added the extension. Now let's click on save. We have saved it, and now Notepad++ has highlighted it. If you don't know how to install Notepad++, you can refer the link in the description. Now we have saved it. Go to desktop. Here is our Java file. Now let's go to CMD again. Go to start, type CMD, press enter or click on it. Now as you saw before, we installed Java. Here is the version, and here was our Java compiler, Java C. So now since we have set the path also, we can easily run our program from anywhere. So this is what we are doing. Let's type dir to list the directories. So here desktop is visible. That means you just need to move to desktop because our file is on the desktop. CD, I hope you know CD is change directory command. CD desktop and press enter. We have reached the desktop. Now let's dir see the directories. Here all the files are visible. So we have studiopedia.java file also here. It's fine now. Now to compile our program, we use Java C command in Java. Java C is for compiler, Java C. Now the name of the file, studiopedia.java. This was our file name, studiopedia.java, with the class name Studiopedia. I'll just press enter now to see if there is an error or not. It compiled successfully, and you can see automatically on pressing enter on compiling, it created a class file. This is what I wanted to show you when the class file gets created. So under JVM, you must have read this stuff about how a class file gets created. So it gets created when you compile the program. Now let's run it. Java Studiopedia. This is to execute it. Compilation was this, Java C. Now press enter to see the output. Now you can see the output is visible, first Java 15 program. This is what we printed here, and the same is visible here. So guys, in this video we saw how we can easily download and install Java 15. We also saw how we can set the path, how we can verify the installation, and how we can run our first program in Java. In the same way, you can create a folder here and add all your files here. You can also do this stuff by adding programs in any directory because we have set path. Just navigate here and compile and run your program. So guys, thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, do subscribe to our channel. Also refer our Java videos to install Java on Atom ID, Visual Studio Code, NetBeans ID, Eclipse ID, and other IDs. If you like the video, do subscribe to our channel, Amit Thinks.